Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So in with us for a couple of weeks is actually my KTM Super Duke 1290R, and we've decided to do a few little bits of hydro dip into it. To be honest, the bike is already, I've already done a few bits and pieces to it, so it's pretty much where I want it to be, but we're just going to add some forged carbon effect to a few bits and pieces, which she'll show you in a moment. Love this bike, lovely bit of kit. This will just add a few extra, bits of styling to it. So don't forget to give us a shout at AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling if you fancy doing anything like this to your bike. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, all the normal sort of bits and pieces, and we will start to get the bike all stripped in a moment. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos on the channel to do with the motorbikes and the styling, and we will get cracking with this. So we will roll the intros. Thank you very much. Right, we also have coming to join us whilst my bike is in. We have Mark from Itching to Ride, so he'll be popping in to see us at some point, just to see what we're doing with my Super Duke and the hydro dipping process as well. So we're going to show him a few bits when he comes in to see us. So don't forget to check out his channel, Itching to Ride. Check out some of his videos, and of course like and subscribe to his channel. And of course make sure you like and subscribe to ours as well. Right. We're going to crack on with getting it all stripped. Right, Fraser is just about to start stripping the bits off, aren't we, mate?
Yes, we are. Oh, yes, we are.
So the bits we are doing, as you can see, I will just show you. Fraser's already marked with some tape. We've got the front section of the front mud guard. We have the little screen, the Evotech screen, which we will be losing the texture, and then prepping and hydro dipping as well. We've got the side inner sections of the fairing, so not the whole fairing, just the inner sections. Got the bit around the fuel cap. We have the side little pop-in trims, so we'll take them out and dip them, and then finally the rear hugger stroke chain guard, as it is all one piece. There we go. So we'll be crack on and get them all stripped, won't we, bud?
We will. And if you're wondering why I've marked them with a bit of tape, it's not a professional trick at all. It's just because I get very easily confused. So we've done that to ensure that I don't.
Only dip the right bits. Oh.
Yeah.
We don't end up with the whole bike in pieces, basically.
We don't.
Well, hopefully we'll see how we go, won't we?
Yeah, we'll see what happens, mate. I'm not guaranteeing anything.
How are we doing, Fraser? Looking all good?
Mate, all good, we've just finished stripping all the parts off.
Superb. Not too bad to do?
No, not too bad with a hammer and chisel.
Large hammer, obviously.
Oh, obviously, yeah. I wouldn't have done that quick with a small hammer. And then these are all the parts we've now got.
Love it, all the bits in the box.
All in. Labelled bags.
Yeah, that's
just for your pleasure.
That's how we do it, isn't it?
Yep, sealed for your pleasure.
Ribbed as well.
Oh, that was disgusting, Alex. This is a family show.
Superb, there we go, they're all stripped, all the bits off. Ready to start getting them all prepped for a little bit of hydro flipping.
Yeah.
All the parts are now prepped, ready to be painted in the required colour to be then ready to do the hydro dipping in the forged carbon. But I was just going to say, don't forget to check out some of our other videos on the channel. We've got a couple of other motorbikes we've done custom petrol tanks on, so do check them out. And we've also got another motorcycle we done in gears over gold, which then went on to be a customised motorbike. So check that out on the old channel. Right, just give you a look at the trims. Here we go. So they are all just flatted back, ready to be wiped over and then done in the grey. Ready to then be hydro dipped, of course. So we'll be cracking on with this very shortly. Hello mate.
Hello mate. Right, we've got all the bits for the KTM in here. They're all prepped up. They've all been freshly plastic primed. We're now going to colour them in a sort of dark grey colour, ready to be hydro dipped in the forged carbon.
Oh, lovely job mate.
Love it now.
Lovely job.
Have a look round, don't be shy.
There we go. So we've got the rear hugger and chain guard. We've got the little panel off the front. A couple other little bits around the fuel flap, fuel cap, a couple of side panels, a bit off the mud guard, and then the parts from the sort of inner front fairing. All ready and raring to go. There we go. Ad's now about to get a little bit of colour on. Right, Adam has now got all the bits all painted, ready to be hydro dipped. So, hi mum. You sound like my mum.
No, my mum.
Oh, your mum. Don't think my mum watches them, to be honest.
No.
At least your mum does.
Yeah, she's proud.
Right, we'll have a little look at the bits. They're all now painted and are ready to a hydro dip.
Ready to go.
Got the grey paint on. Well, it's like a primer, isn't it? Is it a primer?
Yeah, but that's our sort of base colour we use really, but it is primer.
There we go, there's all the bits. Ad's already got a couple of the bits next door ready for dipping, which was the two little triangle side fairing sections. And the other bits, there we go. All ready, isn't it, mate? Let's do it.
Get it on.
Booyah!
Let's get it on.
Right, what are we doing, Ad? Getting the old film ready?
Film's all cut. Ready to go.
Then with the old forged carbon. And the grey will show through nicely on that.
Yeah, I might be able to show you.
Show us
what it all look like.
Just about to see, can't we?
That's what we're sort of going to look like.
Nice. It's going to look rather nice.
It's going to go lovely, right? It's going to be lovely.
Go nicely with the bike as well, because most of it's sort of a matte stroke satin finish.
Yeah, we're going to paint lacquer, aren't we?
Yeah.
Superb. First couple of bits all ready.
Yeah.
Time to get the old film up in the tank.
Let's get them in.
So here we go, so Ad is now washing the parts off. Get rid of the PVA glue.
Yeah,
and then they'll be all lovely and clean.
Yeah, using my right hand and tepid water.
Oh,
I love it.
Tepid, little bit of tepid water.
A little bit of tepid water.
Yeah. There we go. Hello. Hello, mate. How are you getting on with your... oh, you look rather trim today, mate.
Alright, mate, yeah.
Alright, mate.
Yeah.
Looking good, mate, looking good.
Yeah,
I like your baubles. Nice and hairy. Oh,
yeah.
looking lovely and hairy.
Yeah.
Lovely hairy, and I like your tattoo.
What about the hallelujah now? Hey!
Now this, lovely.
Yeah, look good, doesn't it? Oh, there's a bit old belly.
Oh.
Many times.
My nipples are a bit far round, though.
A bit strange, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
Bit baldly.
Yeah. Love it. Happy Christmas.
And to you. Right, here we go. We're now going to go in and see Fraser, who's in the spray booth. Just about to get the lacquer, the matte, well actually sort of satin lacquer, get it right, the satin lacquer down onto the KTM parts. So we're going to see how he's getting on. Here we're filming in the booth. Hello, pal. Here we go, so all the bits are now satin lacquered. I'm just going to give you a little look at these, look rather smart now. Ready to go onto the bike, there's the rear hugger, the chain guard. Some other little bits all down here, fairing sections. And the other last little bits over there, look. All looking good in the satin lacquer. And some other bits that Fuzz was done in the carbon. The gloss lacquer. Right, so we're going to start getting these all fitted onto the bike.
Good morning, Alex.
Oh, good morning.
You've caught me just reassembling some of these motorbike panels to go back on the old bicycle here.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. Do tell us, what are you doing now?
Trying to figure out where everything went. Took it all apart, can't remember where it came from. so we're just winging it.
It's all looking good.
Yeah, it's always looking good, mate. Always looking
So you're getting them all laid out, and the front mudguard bit looks good. Look at that, that's all on. Like your little table as well.
very nice. It's from Dunelm.
I think you've been done, mate.
Ah, well.
Let's have a look at the bike. Here we go. Start getting some bits all fitted back on this little beauty. Of course, don't forget to check out, I'll tell you what, don't forget to check out some of our other motorbike videos. What we'll do, we'll put the link above your head right now, pal.
Put it right. Actually, no, because you always say this, but it's more up in this corner. Let me see what the screen is. It's more up. Right about there, isn't it? Right about there. Click that link. Or maybe it's in this corner right here. We just don't know.
We'll see. We'll be surprised when you watch the video.
Yeah, it'll be a nice little surprise. Make me look like an idiot. Thank you very much.
I don't have to try very hard, mate.
No, you don't.
Right, for as well, just getting a bit on for Ramsey fuel flap cap.
So we do.
That's how we do it.
Oh yeah.
Right, let's get a few of the other bits on. The little screen, bit on the old mudguard, inner sections. Oh, for fairing, they look smart. Look at that, they're going on nicely. Hi guys, and thanks again for checking out another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. So we have had a visit from Mark from Itching to Ride, so he popped in earlier on just to see how we do our hydro dipping. So hopefully he enjoyed watching a bit of that being done. So I'm going to put the link down below, so do check out his channel, particularly if you're into your motorbikes. Anything motorbike related, do check out his channel, like I say, link down below. But we are now all done with doing the work to the KTM Super Duke 1290, all finished. So as you'll have seen, we've gone through all the stages of doing the stripping the panels and prepping and hydro dipping. So we have removed the following panels. We removed the little screen off the front, the fly screen, the front mudguard. On the front mudguard we've done just the front section. So that's all been prepped and hydro dipped. We've also got the inner sections of the front, or the main fairing, and then they lead nicely onto the section around the fuel flap. So all of them have been fully prepped and then of course done in the forged carbon. We've also got the little side panels, the little triangular side panels. Of course they've all been done as well. And then moving to the back of the bike, we have got the chain guard and hugger. So all of them bits have been done in the forged carbon over the grey. Hopefully you like everything we've done with this. We're going to give you a final full look around the bike. Now we're all finished, to see what you think. Don't forget, do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with anything like this. We do love working with the motorbikes. And of course, like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Right, we're going to give you a final look around the bike. Stay safe, and we hope to catch you again soon. Take care.